Miller Manufacturing is a manufacturing company based in Brookville, Pennsylvania, and they produce parts for companies such as John Deere and Caterpillar. As we toured the facility, we saw how they went from raw materials to being welded to being painted and eventually being shipped out. We spoke with some of their best employees and got some information about how they can compete with their competitors, the most important thing about Miller, how their jobs get easier with AI, and finally, some of their biggest challenges in the current market.
What makes Miller Manufacturing better than its competitors?
Amount of people that we have that work here, and just the drive that we have to make good products. We work for some pretty large companies, so I think that adds to it.
What is the most important thing about Miller?
I think one of the most important things, at least for me, is it's a very family-oriented company that they're very good to work for.
Is your job getting easier with new technology?
I would say yes. There's a lot of developing industrial manufacturing technology going on right now. Some of our major suppliers, I'll say, like Messer Cutting Systems and Trump, are continuously every day developing their systems to provide us with better machines that further improve our processes, whether that's from AI integration for scheduling and planning, higher capacity lasers and plasma units, take your pick.